In this video, you'll learn how to create an incoming webhook in Slack. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up a webhook that allows external applications to send messages directly to your Slack channels. Begin by navigating to the Slack API web page, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for the Slack API applications page. Once the page loads, you will see an overview of your existing applications, if any, along with options to create new ones. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create New App. This button is typically found towards the upper right corner of the page. After clicking it, you will be prompted to select how you want to create your app. After that, choose the option labeled From Scratch. This is essential as it allows you to start building your app without any predefined settings or configurations. Once selected, the interface will prompt you to provide some basic information about your new app. Type in the desired name for your app in the designated field. This name will identify your app within Slack, so choose something relevant. Following this, you will need to select a workspace where the app will be installed. Click on the drop-down labeled Select a Workspace. Upon clicking, a list of workspaces linked to your Slack account will appear. Choose the appropriate workspace to which you want to connect the app. Once you've made your selection, click on the button labeled Create App. This action will create your app and take you to its settings page. Once on the app settings page, find the section that says Incoming Webhooks. Click on this option to access the configuration settings for incoming webhooks. This area allows you to manage and create webhooks for your app. Next, you will see an option to activate incoming webhooks. Click on the button that says Activate Incoming Webhooks. This step is crucial as it enables your app to receive messages through the webhook functionality. After that, look for the toggle switch that says Off. Click on it to switch it to On. This action allows you to add new webhooks to your application. Once you have turned it on, you will be able to see options for adding new webhooks. Now click on the button labeled Add New Webhook. This will initiate the process of creating a new webhook for your selected channel. A new window will appear asking you to select a channel for your webhook. Select the channel you would like the webhook to post messages to. This step is important as it determines where the messages sent via the webhook will appear. After selecting the channel, click on the button labeled Allow. Once you click Allow, Slack will finalize the web setup. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating that the webhook has been successfully created. This message will provide you with a unique URL for the webhook. Finally, click on the button that says Success. This confirms that your webhook is now active and ready to use. You can now use this webhook URL in your external applications to send messages directly to your Slack channel. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.